Good afternoon. We're going to go over our technology initiative, Creating Digital Citizens in the 21st Century. This technology initiative is needed for our pre-K through first grade and our 2nd through 12th grade students. Our pre-K through first grades will receive our iPads. These are most durable for our kiddos in that grade level. 2nd through 12th grade will receive Chromebooks as they are most acceptable for that grade level. Kiddos in that grade range will be learning to type. Our Chromebooks are touchscreen. They are 360 foldable, bendable, and those are best for giving and presenting presentations that those students will be doing in that grade level. Creating Digital Citizens in the 21st Century focuses on the classroom's educational needs, the teacher, and most importantly, helping to build sustainable digital citizens for years to come. The devices that have been chosen within this initiative were well thought out with each level of student in mind. Both of the devices listed will be of great benefit for our students across the district and their academic success. Creating Digital Citizens in the 21st Century will help to build creative 21st century digital citizens for years to come. So this technology initiative is needed because our district implemented a one-to-one initiative a few years ago, and now our teachers and students need new devices and programs to help enhance their current curriculum and just bump it up to that next level. Our SMART goals that we have, SMART goal number 1, due to the lack of digital citizenship skills, all students in grades K through 12 will develop skills at 85% accuracy through the digital citizenship curriculum. Students will learn to use technology responsibly and become acceptable, age-appropriate digital citizens by the end of the school year. SMART goal number 2, due to the lack of student engagement, all students in grades pre-K through 12 will use multiple technology programs and applications such as Padlet, Flipgrid, iBrainstorm, Sock Puppet, and many more, to enhance their creativity and become active participants in their learning environment. Students' goals is to perform at 85 to 90% accuracy on all technology programs. Our technology initiative is a stair-step program where students have the opportunity to utilize the one-to-one technology that our district has already put into place. We will be adding to the previous initiative by focusing on digital citizenship and fostering creative technological learners. Educators across the district will use the curriculum, digital citizenship curriculum, for grades K through 12 and help students to learn to become productive digital citizens, focusing on all key topic areas. Those key topic areas are right here. You can see these, and these are focused on grades K all the way to 12. All of them may not be touched on in every single grade level, but remember, those are all age appropriate when they are taught. Students will also be utilizing the following programs within their curriculum: Prodigy, Padlet, Google Classroom, or Schoology. They won't be using both, one or the other. Also Sock Puppet and many more. The funding for our technology initiative, our budget that we came up with for our iPads and our Chromebooks is just a little over $1.1 million. I know that's a big number, but we are purchasing for pre-K all the way to 12th grade. And the funding is going to come from Broadband USA and Oklahoma Educational Technology Trust. We will be providing professional development for our teachers throughout the year for our devices so they can learn how to use those correctly, and all of our programs that will be implemented into the classroom. There will be several classes throughout the year, and here is one app that I'm going to show you and that teachers can implement into their class.
Let your voice be heard with the Sock Puppet app.
You can show what you know, like the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Or you can sing, la la la.
Or you can explain how you solved the math problem. You see, first I borrowed the 7, and then...
Oh, watch me, watch me, oh, watch me, watch me.
Seriously now, sock puppets can share your story. One time when I was at band camp...
What do you have to say? Let your voice be heard with Sock Puppet app.
And again, this is an app that can be utilized in any classroom, starting all the way at pre-K, even kindergarten, all the way up. And I know teachers who have used it in 4th grade. This can be used in math, reading, science, or social studies. It's a great app for all grade levels. Digital citizenship, internet safety. This is a game that I'm going to show you. Students can play this game. They have to be able to answer questions about internet safety before they are allowed to move on and play. This is called Be Internet Awesome, and it's based on 5 key concepts over internet safety for students. Those key concepts are share with care, don't fall for fake, secure your secrets, it's cool to be kind, and when in doubt, talk it out. And again, students are just going to love that game so they can have fun learning about internet safety. Our implementation timeline, we are going to, like I said, offer many different professional development days. So in August, our committee will get together and come up with a calendar for the year. September, we will get together and we will discuss professional development for the upcoming months. We will have, let's see, October, we will have professional development. Teachers will be broken into grade levels for our professional development then. November, we will have professional development for our iPads programs and Chromebooks. Professional development in January as well for our iPads and our programs. All throughout the year, we will have ongoing technology help. Remember, when you give your teachers new technology, you cannot just give that to them and expect them to learn it and know how to use it on their own. You must give them the help that is needed, or it won't be used. It won't be utilized within the classroom. In March, we're going to send out surveys to see how teachers are utilizing the technology devices and programs within their classrooms and see how they like it, what needs to be fixed and changed for the next year. The devices that our district will receive within this initiative will help our students and teachers launch into the 21st century world of technology. I know that as teachers become comfortable with this new technology, they will continue to implement even more programs and activities within their classroom. This initiative will help provide many opportunities for students and teachers to enhance their lessons and all of their work that they are doing just at the click of one button. Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate it.